Hey, Kimma.
God.
You can't put your window down because you're afraid.
You're a bitch
No,
lock.
no, seriously, don't do that. Oh, the ostrich is coming. Put my fucking window up. Eat your car. Stop eating my car. Stop, dude. What?
Jaden,
Stop.
Jaden, stop.
Look, he's gonna hit your car. I don't like that guy. That
Look.
thing. He's like, open your window. Hello. Look. Can you hear it? Put it down just a little bit.
No.
Dude. Yeah, put it down just a little bit. Look, the ostrich said, look. The ostrich is going away. Oh my gosh.
This is so funny, watch.
Jaden, stop.
Don't eat her car, dude. I'm feeding you. So that you won't eat her car.
You already took the whole bag of damn feed. Hey, we have more feed in here. Hey, Jaden. Jaden. Hey, we're all sharing. Do you want to feed them?
Okay, I'm letting you out with them then.
Then
Okay,
quit
then
crying
stop
like
crying
that.
right now. You've been good this whole time.
Dry it up.
Say you're sorry.
I'm not gonna feed them the whole bag. It's everybody's food. I'm giving Mama some. Stop eating my car! Why are you crying still? Here, you're gonna feed the deers. Here, open your hand.
Look at him.
Shitheads. Stop eating my car! Ew, that is gross looking.
I'm sitting on so much food. That's why I don't want to let him in.
Did you really get your leg bit?
He grabbed my leg like
Dude, there's camel snot on my window. Bye, camels. He's like, no. What do you think you're doing? I'll step on this car. I said stop! He's like leaning down while he's walking.
halfway down, halfway down.
Put yeah, my window's up again. I don't like ostriches.
More ostriches coming.